Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue again. I got some more stamps. So if you saw my last video, I'm not sure which Destash number it is, but I'm reminding you again of the rules of the giveaway. I will put a link down below to the giveaway info video so that you'll know. Again, the one thing I see is people are not doing a promo video and or not sharing on social media if you can't do a video. If you could do that, I would really appreciate it, and that's one of the rules of the giveaway. I've gotten several people to buy, but I just haven't seen anybody put up any videos or shared it on social media, so that's what I'm wondering about. Alright, these stamps are just from different places. This is a paper tray ink stamp. It's a Christmas stamp. Let's see, what is it called? What is it called? I don't know what it's called. Oh, Framed Out number 9. It's a small stamp. This is what it looks like. It's just a little wreath thing here, and then some sentiments you can put in the middle of it. And this is like a little dotted circle that you can put inside there if you want. And it's called Framed Out number 9, and it's $3. And these are all going to be plus shipping as well. Alright, the next one, I have no idea who it's... Oh, yeah, I do. Impression Obsession stamp. This is it looks to me like an older stamp. I had gotten it, I think, in a Destash maybe. And I don't think I've ever used it. But it's called Berry Sweet. There's the bear. This is $3. It's got all these little things to go with it. Okay, $3. The next one is a Close to My Heart border stamps. This one I have used a couple of times. This one's called Eclectic Edges, and it's $5. Let me get you a close-up. And there's a little thanks sentiment right there. Alright. The next one, the next 4 are Gina K Designs stamps. These are older, well, a couple of them are older stamp sets. This one is called Holiday Greetings here. It's got birthday, friendship, Christmas, thank yous, handmade. So a bunch of them there, and they are rubber clean, $10. The next one is Elegant Elements. You can use these in all kind of ways. You stamp them as backgrounds or as a focal point, and there's a couple of edges in here. Okay, $10 for that, and it's rubber clean as well. This one, next one is a clear stamp called Pretty Patterns. And some of these little pieces are made to go with one of the patterns, like the circles can be put up, you know, in these maybe, and this particular line right here, the white spaces there is what you can stamp this in as a different color. You can stamp this into that. So they all kind of got their own separate little ones too. So, and I kind of stamped some out to show you how you can color, you know, stamp it twice to get the color in there, or you can, you know, color it with Copics or pencils or whatever. Alright, and that one's 15. And this next one I bought 2 of. So this one's going to be $18. It's Festive Foliage. It's got the mistletoe and the pine cones, and I can't ever figure out how to get this right on my camera. Trying to get it so where y'all can see it good. Okay, and that's clear. This is just the printing, you know, on the thing, but it's a clear stamp. $18 on that. Alright, and again, let me know. Oh, wait a minute, I think I got one more. This, oh yeah, one more. This one is from My Favorite Things. It's a stamp and die set. I am asking $25 shipped for this one. And it's, I'm not sure, let's see what it's called. Springtime Balloons. Well, you can see it. Can you see that? Well, you know what? I'm gonna take the dies out, so because I'm not sure you can see the stamps very good because of the dies. The dies are all still together. Alright, here's the stamps. That's better. And the glare from above. Can you see it? All these pretty flowers. And the sentiments. And then the dies to go with. Oh well. Okay, and again, that one is $25 shipped on this particular one. So let me know if you're interested in any of these, and I'll get those out to you. Thanks, guys. Bye.